Do you remember your first panic attack? The first panic attack is one of the most unforgettable experiences one could ever have. What makes panic attack worse is that it makes you constantly alert and on the lookout for the next attack. But you know what? You can overcome your anxiety, fears, and panic attacks and live a panic-free life. How? By using the Panic Puzzle Program. The Panic Puzzle Program is the most advanced, comprehensive resource for overcoming your anxiety, fear, and panic attacks. It takes you on a step-by-step journey so you can improve your way of thinking and finally have a panic attack-free life. This isn't some of those deceiving miracle cures. It is based on science and advanced strategies for overcoming fear. To start your journey on a better life, just click the link on the description box below. The Panic Puzzle Program. It will change your life.